How to connect your Google Drive to Claude.ai. So basically just a simple integration guide. You can do this directly in your Claude.ai. So once you're here, open this little tab up and then just enter your settings. Inside your settings, you can go ahead to your connectors and then you will be able to find Google Drive as one of the options directly, and it will automatically open up your preferred browser for you. What you're gonna do now is just log into your cloud again with the same account. If it doesn't automatically bring you to the Google Drive connector where you can sign up to your Google Drive account, you're gonna have to go there again. So you should have just done it in your preferred browser. But anyways, go to your settings again and then go to connectors and then press on connect for your Google Drive. This time you can finally choose whichever account you want to sign in to your Google Drive to connect to your cloud, and of course just choose whichever, press and continue and allow access to Claude. Anyways, select all if you'd like and then press on continue. And that's pretty much it. Your Google Drive will now be connected to your Claude.ai. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.